This instructional series is split into two parts. Part 1 covers preparation for height measurement, and Part 2 demonstrates collecting these measurements. Please watch both videos for a complete understanding. Thank you. In this video, we will be demonstrating the step-by-step process for assembling the 213 Seca Portable Stadiometer, designed to be lightweight and measure height ranges from 20 to 210 centimeters. To start, carefully remove the stadiometer from its packaging. There should be a base, height rod pieces, a headpiece, and a spacer. Position the base of the stadiometer on a hard, flat surface close to a wall. Next, attach the correct height rod to the base. Continue assembly. Now, slide the headpiece in for easy assembly. Continue assembly. Now, hold the height rod with the highest measurement and attach the spacer to the very top facing outward to keep the rod straight and stable. This also helps keep the stadiometer at an appropriate distance from the wall to ensure accurate measurement. Make sure to align each piece properly with measurement and to hear a click sound as each height rod is locked together. Once all the pieces are assembled and locked into place, the stadiometer is ready for use. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or concerns, please contact us at Ph.D. lab@csun.edu.